Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right to it. If you want to know how I stretch my hair out without heat, feel free to go to the last video that I made, which showed how I stretched my hair out without heat. But I'm going to do a protective style today, something quick and easy for the week, because to be honest, I was going to do mini twist again, but that takes a long time and I don't have all day to really dedicate, all day and most of the night, to be honest, to dedicate to do mini twists. So what I decided to do was just to do flat twist straight down the back, just a cute little non-hassle style, because I'm trying to be lazy. I'm really trying to be lazy, but be lazy in a good way, if that makes sense. Try to keep my hair moisturized and whatnot. So all I'm gonna do, I forgot one product that I'm gonna need, but I'll go get it. So I'm gonna separate my hair apart and try to get the parts as clean as I can, because I don't do clean parts. All this hair, all this hair. Dude, this. Okay. So this is as clean as I'm gonna get it. Even though I see, like, oh, jeez. Spend most of the video trying to part my hair. This is as good as it's gonna get. Spending like a whole minute trying to do a part. Put my glasses back on for a second, because I see it. I see the mess up here. Okay. So, done with parting, but I have to go get one thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So, I'm going to put a styling cream on here just to give it a little bit more moisture. So for my styling cream, I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Really like this cream. And I'm almost out. It's almost time to get more. I'm out of all like of my favorite products. I'm trying to use up my stash before I really start buying new ones. So I'm really just adding that mostly to my ends, but working my way up. You do want to make sure your roots, not your roots, but your edges are moisturized. And your kitchen. So I need to make this a little tighter so I'm not grabbing or combing at it. Oh, I should put it over here. Okay, so my hair is now moisturized. I'm actually gonna go in with my Tangle Teaser just to smooth it out. Make sure everything is distributed. Now, it's hard for me to explain how to do a flat twist, so you might have to check somebody else's channel. I think I may have a video on it when my hair was shorter, but I'm not entirely sure. So, this is how my hair is looking. And then, for my roots, I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge use their pomade. This is the peach scent. I really like the peach scent of these because I have the gel. But I've been using this quite a lot, if you can't tell. I used this for my mini twist a few weeks back. It worked very well because I usually use edge control. So I'm taking about that much and rubbing it on my fingers and just applying it to the roots. It's not like an edge control. It's a very soft, not soft hold, but it doesn't make your hair fall hard and crusty, which I like. So just making sure. Alright, so now that's done. Let's start this. I hope you like understanding how I'm doing this. So I'm using this finger, using my other hand to separate the hair from it, and then I'm twisting it. I try to stick close to the root so I can make sure that it's tight. And make sure no stray hairs get in that section. And then I just repeat, twist, grab hair, twist, out, grab more hair, twist. When it gets to the end is when it get a little tricky for me, just for the fact there's not another piece to really make it stay close to the scalp. I'm making sense. So, and then I'll start doing like a regular 2-strand twist. I'm trying to smooth the hair out. Then I'll take a little bit more of the twisting cream, apply it to the ends. And then I'll get my tangle teaser. And then twist. I think this actually came out pretty good, which I'm highly surprised because I used to be really bad at this. So I'm gonna get my rat tail comb, get these ends, a little bit more cream, and continue twisting. And then that's it. You see, this is what I was talking about right here. But I'm gonna put a bobby pin there, just to kind of keep it What? Oh. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh well. This is how it looks. So I'm just going to do the rest of it. I'll do a couple more twists and then I'll come back once my whole head is done. Hey guys, so I'm finally done. It took me a minute because my arms kept getting tired. This is how my hair is looking. This side is not as neat or as like the parts aren't as clean, but I couldn't get the parts clean and plus I was getting tired. So it's more of an asymmetrical, messy, neat kind of situation. Just a quick style to last me forever. So this is how the back is looking. I didn't really lay my edges, but I put a little gel on them and whatnot. So this is one side, and this is the other side. So I like this side better, but I'm not gonna go back and redo this. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And if you have any ideas for easy protective styling, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.